birthdays are brought to you by McDonald's. Stop in for breakfast today.
Time now is 6:41 and time to see who's celebrating a birthday. Before the break, we asked you, can you tell who this celebrity is? Oh, can you tell who that is celebrating a birthday? It is Adam Sandler, turning 47 years old. And here locally, happy birthday to Yolanda Wooten. That's from your husband and kids. Also celebrating a birthday, belated birthday, turning 61 years old on September 8th was Earlene Roberts-Taylor. That's from Monica Charlie Brown, Trevor and Trevian. And also celebrating a birthday, Marquise Davis Sr. That's from your friends there. And also celebrating a birthday, Jimmy Sizemore, 32 years old, from Mom, Mike, Sammy, Chris, Daniel, and the family. And Sharice D. James turned 20 years old on September 8th. That's from Granny, Mom, and family. And Dave Pierre Lewis celebrating a birthday today. That's from the Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated. If you have a birthday or anniversary, email it to us, WTXLbirthday@WTXL.tv. We will read it out loud and wish you or someone you know a happy birthday or anniversary, but please remember to include a picture with your wish.